The economy heading into the election is in a pretty fragile place. And it seems like both sides know that. And they're actually both, Joe Biden and Donald Trump are trying to play to that of saying, I'm the person who you want to help rebuild the economy. So I think the real question when trying to game out what Trump would do is thinking about who controls the Senate. If it's Trump with a Democratic Senate and a Democratic House, I think they pass an enormous infrastructure bill. I think most people are kind of expecting that to happen. I think that's very reasonable. If Republicans hold on to the Senate and the White House, that will sort of reinforce in their mind the view that they can do more targeted measures. If Democrats have the power, I would say the $3.5 trillion of their HEROES Act, which is the bill they passed in May, that to me is the watermark that they would try to hit again. So I think they'll start with 3.5, probably have to water a few things down, but I would still think that it will be north of 3 trillion. Getting aid directly to people is going to be something I think that's going to continue to be preferred more. So a bottoms up approach to economic policy than the top down where you get money to organizations.
People ask me, does the market go up or down under Democrats or Republicans when they're in the White House? The simple answer is the stock market for the last 120 years has tended to go up regardless of who is in the White House, regardless of whether there is a Democrat or a Republican in the White House. It has trended to the upside every single time on average, whether a Democrat or a Republican is in the White House. Now, there are some issues with who is controlling Congress, and it changes a little bit under those circumstances. The highest returns that you get is when a Republican is in control of the White House and the Congress at the same time. The second highest returns that you get is when a Democrat is in control of the White House, but a Republican is in control of the Senate. And the third highest returns you get is when you have a Democrat in control of the Congress and a Democrat in the White House as well. All three times, however, the market has tended to go up. The stock market works with narratives. It's stories that we tell each other about what we think is happening in the near term, in the near future.